Well, hello class, and welcome to week 6 of BACC 635 Advanced Accounting Theory. Hope that each of you are having a great Monday and a great start to your new week together. As we jump into our week 6 content, this week we're going to explore content from chapter 6 of our textbook regarding financial statements 1, specifically the income statement. Over the course of this week in our studies together, you'll explore the income statement in greater detail and depth and the theoretical foundations of the income statement, including the economic consequences of financial reporting, income statement elements, the statement format, and how that format has evolved over the course of time, and the value of corporate earnings and reporting related to corporate earnings to business entities. In the course of studying and examining Chapter 6 and the related content we'll journey through this week, you'll learn how to identify and understand on a deeper level the various elements that compose the income statement, as well as relevant considerations in terms of emergent issues related to those elements, particular items that we are facing new difficulties or new opportunities in relation to when it comes to measurement, financial reporting, and the usefulness of the financial reporting information we're providing to decision makers when it comes to investments, when it comes to management of business enterprises, and when it comes to regulation of those enterprises as well. We'll also learn more about the income statement format, including proposed changes to the format of the income statement and how that format has evolved over time. You'll learn to determine and how to more deeply understand and analyze the value of corporate earnings, not just how we determine what those earnings are, but the importance of that information to financial statement users and decision makers. It's not just enough to say we earned X amount of dollars this quarter, or we had X number of earnings per share, X dollar amount of earnings per share. It's also a question of what that really means, what that number really represents, and more specifically, how that number can help inform the decisions that financial statement users are making. In addition, you'll also learn to analyze, compare, and contrast U.S. GAAP-based income statements from those that are produced under International Financial Reporting Standards, or IFRS. In the course of journeying through content this week, you'll also have 3 weekly assignments in familiar format to what you're accustomed to at this stage of the course, including your Week 6 discussion assignment, your Week 6 case or unit assignment, and your Week 6 FASB ASC research case assignment. Specifically, your discussion assignment this week will relate to how a company's primary financial statements are useful to potential investors who are seeking to make a decision whether or not or regarding whether or not to invest in a particular company. And the assumption we're dealing with a corporation, a corporate entity, whether or not to buy stock in a particular corporation. You'll think through not just simply why is that information useful, or how does that empower those decisions, how does that help us to make better, more informed decisions, but you'll also utilize source material to help form your argument and to help cast your particular position in relation to how that information can empower decisions. In your Week 6 case unit assignment, you will be examining Debate 6-1 on comprehensive income from the textbook, looking specifically at the nature and certain considerations related to comprehensive income. Comprehensive income as a concept is essentially a merger of 2 distinct elements, net income and accumulated other comprehensive income, or AOCI. Comprehensive income is the combination of both of those elements. If you take net income and combine it with AOCI, or accumulated other comprehensive income, you get together comprehensive income. It's designed and was created by standard setters to be a more holistic, a more comprehensive, as the name implies, assessment of income and earnings on the part of business entities. There are certain advantages that come with OCI reporting. There are also certain concerns related to OCI reporting, and you'll explore that as part of your case analysis for the Week 6 unit case assignment. Finally, your Week 6 FASB ASC research case assignment will examine research case FASB ASC 6.6 in the textbook, examining earnings per share. Specifically, you'll look not just at what earnings per share are, but earnings per share guidance from the codification. That is, what are the standards that govern how we report for earnings per share, how we present earnings per share, and how we understand earnings per share. This case study will get you into a greater level of detail within the codification regarding the reporting framework for that, and also integrating the guidance from the ASC with a peer-reviewed research article or a professional article that provides additional insight and information on EPS or earnings per share reporting. With that, I want to thank each of you for listening and for taking time to watch this video recording. As always, if you have any questions or concerns about the content this week, please reach out and let me know. I'll be glad to help and assist you with any questions or any challenges you're navigating. You can reach me by email at jake.brock@ucumberlands.edu. With that, thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day and a fantastic week ahead.